and welcome to the start of this very, very interesting foodie journey. And normally you do see a queue like this outside the Madras Cafe, but this time around it's not just for those steaming dosas and lovely idlis, it's also for a very, very delicious duo who are right inside right now. They say you should breakfast like a king, and clearly that piece of dietary advice hasn't skipped the attention of the stars of Daawat-e-Ishq, Parineeti Chopra and Aditya Roy Kapoor, who tucked into a traditional South Indian breakfast at Mumbai's landmark Cafe Madras.
I ordered best order in the world. First of all, I am set dosa, rava vada, uttapam, rasam vada, then rava idli, और क्या order किया? Filter coffee, world's best filter coffee हमने अभी पी है.
Fueled by filter coffee for the journey the two took to the road. While they may have had a slow start, they were soon off and running, or riding in this case. Once they had their fill of the open road, we managed to pin them down. Parineeti and Aditya were hitting the road, I was actually hidden back in the trunk over here, waiting to pop out like a bad surprise and make a trunk call on the two of them. I have to say, both of you on the road were looking very, very filmy. Aditya did a very good job, I must say, of handling the traffic, a lot of madness. So congratulations on that.
Thank you very, very much.
Yeah.
This is the only thing he knows how to do.
Parineeti is just jealous because she had to take the back seat for a change.
Yeah, I'm jealous. But tomorrow I'm going to drive all the way with him sitting nowhere in my car.
Yeah, that is my idea.
How
because
kind
I'd
that is.
rather not expire due to your driving.
No, I'm going to drive tomorrow, so I'm going to look very cool tomorrow. Tomorrow's my day.
I'm guessing you obviously love to ride and love to feel the wind in your hair and all of that jazz.
Correct.
But do you
have some,
yeah, no, not a problem really over there. But when was the last time you actually managed to do that at all when you're in Mumbai, or is there like we saw total madness around the two of them? I was very worried about you, I must
The
admit.
thing is that if you wear a full helmet, right, no one knows who you are, so you have this anonymity that you can have.
Yeah.
But I don't remember the last time I've gone for a ride. It's been a year and a half that I went to one of those Lonavala kind of rides,
Yeah.
so to speak. So since Ashiki, I haven't done it. That's true. Yeah, it's the first time.
So it's been a while. And Parineeti, are you like a biker chick, or are you someone who's actually a little nervous about bikes? You looked a little nervous, I have to say. So I don't know if it was just the crowd.
No. I love riding bikes. Actually, I really love it. I haven't done it for a while. I mean, I keep doing it for my films here and there.
Yeah.
But I haven't really done it for a long time. Last time was in Ishaqzade only, actually. Anyway, so yeah, I love it, but I'm more of a driver. Like I have a thing for cars, I think.
Okay.
I really like driving. So like I said, I will do this tomorrow. I was not nervous, but nervous because he was the rider and no one else.
She had a blade that was stuck to my side. So anytime I accelerated over 60, I would...
Yeah.
So that was the pained expression on your face. I was
Exactly.
wondering about that.
But it's true. I was poking him every time he was trying to do some stunts and wanting to do cartwheels in the bike. I was just poking him.
Okay, to be fair, he already said he doesn't know how to do any of that stuff.
I know how to do a cartwheel on land, but as a human, but not with a bike.
As a human.
I don't think anyone knows how to do a cartwheel on a bike, dear friend.
Yeah, this is it's called a wheelie, right?
You have the ramp.
Is it called a wheelie?
But a wheelie and a cartwheel are two different things.
But the wheelie is
A wheelie is another thing that I do not know how to do.
you don't know how to do.
Yes.
But at least we know the terminology, I think.
You're very cool on this
Very
road
cool.
trip.
I know. I'm trying
So you
desperately.
enjoyed the food at Cafe Madras?
I did, yes. How sweet. He's actually asking me a question. That's
I
very
miss my
sweet.
old job
Oh,
sometimes.
I have no role.
You always would feed yourself very well, so I do not have to ask you that.
Oh, for a second I thought that was directed at me and I was very insulted. But then I'm happy to know it was directed at
These
you.
kind of blasphemous sentences are only for me. They're only for me.
But did you guys
Much love.
Did you guys enjoy Madras Cafe? Because I'm surprised you've never been there. You said you've never been there.
I'm also surprised I've never been
Yeah.
here because I really like trying out new places, and Cafe Madras seems to be a place that I should have gone to. So it's very funny that I haven't.
Iconic thing.
Yeah. In fact, 2 days ago we were at a radio interview and he said the same thing and said, "How can you not go to
Yeah.
Cafe?" Anyway,
Is it because you're so fancy? That's why you've never been there.
Too fancy, yeah?
I'm
You're
not fancy.
married for
Be silent.
for tea.
Don't
yeah.
talk this
High tea.
shit.
I'm sure this is the first time you've been there as well.
Actually,
Yeah, I go to fancy, you go to Marriott for tea and all.
I've never been to. No, so the thing is.
Caught, as Pariniti would say. Caught.
I can't lie. The thing is that I go to all kinds of all sorts of places my whole life I've been to in Bombay, and I pride myself on the fact that I love eating food everywhere. But this Cafe Madras has been elusive.
Okay, I'm sorry, that means you've never been anywhere in Bombay. I'm 100% sure.
Yeah,
All these fancy people and all, well, at least hopefully this time around you're going to get a bit of a food education. Yeah, I mean,
needs
you know.
no more
Okay,
education.
food education in sense, not like the fancy stuff.
Yeah.
Not the fancy food education, the the real
Let's
hearty
take
kind of food.
Eating and leaves to do. I think. That's
Shoots, eats and leaves.
yeah, exactly.
Something like that. Yeah.
This is going to be the name of this
I
interview.
think so, right? It's a good name. See, we're coming up with all of it on
Very
the
cool on
spot.
this road trip.
Very,
Yeah.
very good. But these two are very excited about this road trip. I don't know whether they're acting or whether they're genuinely excited.
Yeah, we're excited.
You
but
can't act for 5 days.
Oh, it's only been hour 1 or 2, so the acting can still
It's
continue.
taken a lot of convincing to get Beverly to come on this trip.
No, I'm
happy about
very
it, yeah.
excited.
Beverly's
Can
too
you
cool to
see?
be on this trip.
Oh!
This to us.
She said I'm too cool for
She
this.
said, what are you guys
guys?"
doing and all.
I was trying to get it, like,
totally.
I
I was,
I'd like
actually.
to edit all this out. She's going to edit
She's
it.
gonna edit
No, I'm going to keep all of it. But I'm very excited about this Parsi place that we're going to. And are you familiar with Parsi food at all? Or?
I've grown up with a bunch of Parsi friends, so yeah, I'm very familiar with Parsi food. Ma'am, I think you haven't eaten that much.
Ma'am is from North India, where we are now familiar with more of Haryanvi food and UP food and Northeast food and Kashmiri food. But yeah, Parsi food I've missed out on.
It's lovely.
It's lovely.
So I have not really been exposed to Parsi food at all. So any suggestions of what we should try?
Dhansak is the key to happiness, all
I've
happiness.
eaten dhansak in my life, I feel.
And the patranu machi, which is on the, of course, on the patta with the green kind of. So it's a bunch of things that we can.
Anything about
yeah.
food, this man knows.
Yeah.
Not bad. You're very well aware of
Actually,
Parsi
you
cuisine at any rate.
Asked to see if any of those things
All
are going to come back.
gluttons are.
All gluttons are. Well, okay, I'm not going to take more of your time because the car is now coming to a halt, which is my not so subtle sign that Beverly, get out. You've hidden in the trunk too long. So we will catch up with them a little later in the
Yes.
day. Yeah,
Oh
we're not done with you guys. Anyway. But it seems that Pariniti and Aditya couldn't bear to be cooped up for too long. After all, it isn't every day that the two get to enjoy life's simple pleasures amongst relative anonymity. Well, there's nothing like being out on the open road and getting some fresh air back into one's life to get the appetite going again. And breakfast suddenly seems a very, very long time ago. Aditya's already given us his suggestions for Parsi cuisine. Let's hope all those items are on the menu today. So by the time lunchtime arrived, the two certainly had plenty of opportunities to put Aditya's knowledge of Parsi cuisine to some practical use.
First dumpful. Bhira par eera.
So much, yeah. We have a chelo kebab.
Kulfi, chiku kulfi, strawberry kulfi. Kesar masala kulfi, gulab jamun, rasgulla, rasmalai, mai, shikand bati. सबका एक एक दे दो.
My mom really loves Parsi food, so and they've been nice enough to offer a chance for me to send some food back to her. So I think I'm going to pack some food and send it for my mom as well.
Sure, we'll do
Huh?
it.
We'll do it.
No issue.
Thank you, sir.
क्या
ये तो आपको हम बताएंगे जब हम पहुंचने वाले होंगे. We should just make it a suspense now, just
What?
like that.
I didn't
This
tell
thing
you.
was the next stop.
Oh, suspense. सबको पता है. हमें भी नहीं. We're going to Surat no next. That's the plan.
Yeah, now we're going to Surat.
So I think we all have a couple of hours to sleep. So everyone's smiling. You can't see the hall. Everyone is smiling right
सब
now.
सो रहे कह रहे हैं हाँ सुबह 7 बजे बुलाया क्या अभी नींद करना है.
Just two
अभी
or
सोने का
three.
टाइम आ गया है. Good night. Okay, good
So
night.
have a good night's sleep and meet you soon.
But when we hit Surat for dessert, we were soon very wide awake. Well, we've certainly had a lot of Aditya and Pariniti's This is quite a sight to behold, as you can see. All of Surat, it seems, is practically here to see these two having some pan ice cream. I think the ice cream is melted with all the love and all the heat that's surrounding us. Yes, it may have been overwhelming, but clearly for Parineeti and Aditya, there couldn't have been a sweeter note to end day one of their food yatra. It's little surprise that after a hectic first day, Parineeti and Aditya decided to skip breakfast and head straight for lunch at Vishala in Ahmedabad, an oasis of calm in the middle of the bustling city. And we're sure that the two were happy they were hungry enough to do justice to the wholesome Gujarati cuisine. Most mothers tell you not to eat with your mouths full, but when you're promoting a movie and a foodie movie, that's kind of an occupational hazard.
It's become that. Yeah.
What hazard?
The hazard is, yeah, it's hazard,
Occupational
yeah.
happiness.
Yeah. But it's not because you're like badly mannered or anything. You're just enjoying yourself thoroughly.
We're enjoying ourselves and we actually have no time, to be honest with you. So we have to eat and talk at the same time.
Oh, it's all about multitasking.
Correct. And
Yeah, where's the doubt in that?
Yeah, absolutely. Okay, sorry, talking about eating and talking at the same time. Some refills are happening.
Refills are required.
Yes, refills are required, and
Another one's happening.
another one is happening. I'm not getting any of this, by the way. It's all just bypassing me quickly
It's
and
coming
going.
to you eventually.
Oh,
Like we're
please!
starving you, Beverly.
Totally starving me. I'm very upset.
We're giving. She's on a water diet.
I'm on a water diet. I'm going to be losing a lot of weight after this. But anyway, coming back to the food, Parineeti, I overheard you saying something had changed your life today. I'm not sure what it was, but you want to like open up about that?
This tur dal and this sukri that is coming,
Oh, that was amazing.
It's
That I did eat, by the way.
insane. Listen,
Yeah.
it's goodness of ghee in all its entirety and glory.
Yeah.
So the sukri, thank you. Sukri and tur dal. This tur dal is exactly the way my mom makes it.
Okay.
So it's changed my life a little bit. I'm a happy girl.
And this whole place has this very homely, like warm, welcoming atmosphere. Isn't it lovely? And it's very romantic. Am I the only one who thinks so? Or
I didn't think about it like that. I just think it's an amazing. It could be.
Yeah.
It could be. When you have 20 cameras on you and no real one company,
no romance,
it doesn't think about that.
Yeah.
But to have a place like this in the middle of the city is a godsend. Yeah, I would love to have a place like this to come and just chill and eat in the afternoon in Bombay,
Yeah, I know.
Mumbai.
Yes,
So
sorry,
yeah,
correction.
correction.
Yeah.
So that's beautiful.
Yeah, it is beautiful. And talking about, crowds and things like that, yesterday I think they became human sandwiches along with the rest of us.
The real sandwich was Beverly.
Oh yeah, you should have looked
She
at
was
her.
like a little child because there was a lot of crowd where we went.
These two. Yeah,
And she was getting mobbed, and she just did this and closed her eyes as if it'll all disappear if you close your eyes.
Yeah.
But it was
You are not supposed to be watching me and making fun of me like this.
We're like Beverly ko bachao, Beverly ko bachao.
Were you guys like really amazed at the crowd? The crowd was mind blowing,
It
right?
was unreal. I didn't expect so many people to turn up.
Yeah.
And
So
then
it took you by surprise as well.
it took me by surprise,
Yeah.
and then I was actually scared for my life by the end of it
Yeah,
because we had.
it was a little
yeah,
scary.
it was.
a little excessive.
He had
But
become a
what about
bodyguard.
you?
He had become my bodyguard.
Yeah.
And even that was not enough because there were like 10 people who were like hitting and punching and grabbing and doing everything
And my
possible.
precious cap was hit off my head, and my shirt was nearly torn.
Yeah, your shirt was being like ripped off almost.
Yeah, it was quite something, but yeah, it was good fun.
But it was great for the ego, I'm assuming, right?
It can be good, yes, yes.
I like the
No complaints, like he would say. No complaints.
No complaints. Yeah, I was looking at all that and I was like, God, these guys must be feeling at the top of the world right now. But obviously, there's still a lot more to go. I am unfortunately going to be leaving you all now. No, they've been promising that since yesterday. I've only had water the whole day. It's very upsetting.
We have have footage of you eating, so don't take us up on that. You'll lose very badly.
I will
We
lose
have
very badly.
Beverly stuffing her face like this.
Have you had a fun time with us, Beverly?
I have had a fun time, so I was wrong in the beginning because they asked me, they were like, "Are you excited?" And I said no.
And beating her up with sticks at that point.
Yes.
Not feeding me and beating me up with sticks. It's no wonder that I'm going back really at the moment. But you guys sound like you're going to have a blast going forward. What are you particularly looking forward to?
Well, after this we're going to Jaipur, then Delhi, Agra, Sonipat, Ambala.
Yeah.
I think for you,
Chandigarh.
Ambala will be the penultimate wonderful
yo
thing. Yeah,
moment.
the yo moment.
And
Yeah.
what are you particularly looking
For me, the whole bunch, I don't know how to choose. Yeah, I haven't thought of one place. Fatehpur Sikri we're going.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, I want to go there and see
Yeah,
what that's like.
yeah.
And so everything, I really can't choose. To be honest with you.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Okay, and I'm going to leave you guys now to enjoy your food while I sit and starve in a corner. Don't lie, you're not going to miss me.
Beverly will be eating leaves.
I
now.
will be eating leaves. And since we came up with that tagline already, I'm going to say I'm going to shoot and eat and leave now. I'm going to keep up to it and have a great trip, safe journey. I hope no one knocks any more caps off or tears things off you after this.
we won't mind if that happens.
I'd rather have a crowd turn up than not. So it's okay. You know?
Okay, anyway, safe journey and all the very best. Keep eating. Bye-bye.